Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra has got a headphone jack, and can we use wired earphones or headphones with these phones? So first, when it comes to headphone jack, as you see, it actually does not come with a headphone jack, which is a bit ridiculous. So you see on the top we do not have one, and also on the bottom there is no headphone jack on these phones. However, when it comes to good news, we can still use wired stuff with this phone quite easily if you get a simple adapter which converts, for example, the Type-C to the 3.5mm. For example, if I want to use my headphones, I will simply plug it in like this, so you see it snaps into the place, and then you simply plug it in your phone and you can start listening basically to your wired headphones. For example, there is no additional setup. As soon as you plug it in, it automatically will start to work. Advantage obviously for wired stuff, there is no delay or worry about battery life. Okay, good luck.